In this video we're going to continue embedding Spark content into OneNote, and in this example I'm going to be working with a Spark page. So I'll go across to Adobe Spark, and here I have a number of pages that contain content. So let's begin by opening this project. I'll click on that, and if I scroll through it you can see that there's a range of different content types. And we're going to see how this imports and embeds into OneNote. So I'll go up to the top where it says Share, and we're going to click on Publish and Share Link. Now we're not using any of the button options below, we're simply going to be using this copy link here. And so I've copied that to the clipboard, and now when I return to a new page in my OneNote application, and I simply paste that from the clipboard, you can see how after a few moments the content renders into its own small window, and we've also got a link that will take us to a web view. Now at this point in time, if I click on this refresh icon, we get this preview panel. And if I try to scroll down, it won't proceed past the title page or the top of my Spark page. When I click on Read More, it then opens a browser window and we view the rest of the content in this manner. So that's how embedding content into the OneNote desktop application works. And it's a very simple workflow to follow. We copy the publish link and we paste it into a OneNote page. Because the Spark page content is designed to be viewed in browsers, when students come to the OneNote page and they click the refresh button, it directs them straight to the website, and this is where they can view the content the way it's been designed. So I hope you found this video useful, and I hope you can also understand how simple it is to take your Spark page content and to insert it into your OneNote class notebooks.